Hello, welcome back to a vlog. Right now, my hair is kind of oily and my skin, my skin is getting better, but I have some big blemishes right now. So I'm just gonna do this hair mask that I got in a FabFitFun. Also, the nails, they're getting done tomorrow, so that will be part of this vlog because they're just atrocious from my nail polish staining them. I'm not gonna do a full face mask. I'm just gonna put it here, and then maybe a little bit on my forehead. And this is the face mask that I'm gonna use. It's the Acne Control Clarifying Mask by Murad. I have on my face mask and my hair mask. But I just thought that this would be a good time to update you guys on some things. And then I'm just gonna continue watching Maggie McDonald. So a recent show that I am obsessed with is Bridgerton, and if you haven't watched it, watch it. There are some intense scenes, and I watched it with my mom and sister, so that was kind of such a good time. But seriously, it's so good. You have to watch it. It's only 8 episodes. I like that it didn't end on a cliffhanger. It ended on such a good note, and they have 8 more seasons coming out. That's the rumor. You can literally see I popped that because it was calling my name. Never thought I would like a show like that because it's set in the 1800s in England, and it's so good. They talk with the most beautiful accents. Got this sweatshirt off of a girl's Instagram who sells vintage clothes. It's called The Little French Girl, so definitely go look at it. But I was bleaching t-shirts against the sink, and I leaned into the sink. I literally cried when I did that. But my mom bought black fabric dye, so hopefully we can fix it. I literally cried. I'm not even kidding. I actually started crying. I'm not self-tanning tonight because I don't like sleeping in it. I like doing it in the morning and then just chilling during the day and then rinsing it off at night. So I'm just gonna shower, shave and exfoliate so that I can self-tan tomorrow and just put it on. I think that's it. Yeah. Not me always having to justify purchases that I make. But these are the Melina pants, and they're just black leather pants, and they look so flattering on. I've seen so many videos of girls wearing them, and I don't have a pair of pants like this, leather, chic pants. I feel they'll never really go out of style, and they're just a super good staple to have. And then I got this half zip long sleeve, and Aritzia always has really good basics that are high quality, and I just feel I don't have a lot of just cozy long sleeve shirts or quarter zips, anything really comfortable to wear that isn't a hoodie. I don't have a lot of long sleeve basics, and I just like the half zip, so I grabbed that. And then I'll show you what I got off Sephora. I'm really sorry if this is super distracting having honey all over my face because I'm kind of getting distracted that I'm reflective right now. I got all the Olaplex products that I really have been wanting to try. So I got the conditioner, shampoo, and then I got this hair perfector styling treatment, and then the bonding oil. And I'm just so excited because I've heard so many people have such good results with their hair using these products. And then I just got this free Fenty mascara that I'll just try with the order. Rain or snow. Just got our nails done. So much better than when they looked yellow. Amy got a pedicure.
Can't see people I'm driving.
Now we're going to the grocery store to get some fruit for my overnight oats. What are we having for dinner?
Salad bar.
Salad.
Salad bar.
Shout out Camille for this one. Finally, I got this package from Verge Girl that I literally ordered on November 30th, and it just came in. For some reason, this just would not get shipped, and it took 2 months. It was stuck in Australia for the longest time. And it's just some hoop earrings that I ordered, and I was gonna give out as gifts, but they just weren't coming, so I ended up just going and getting some at the mall to give out as gifts. But I guess now I just have a bunch extra, so we will just do a little unboxing and go through the earrings that I got. Okay, so I have 4 pairs right here. I took them all out of like the bubble wrapping. I got 2 of the same pairs because I was going to give one of them to my sister. But these are so cute. I literally was waiting so long to get them. Oh, these are nice. They're like heavy. I've had these gold hoops for literally the longest time, and they're just like plain gold hoops. They're really cute. I mean, I like that they're thick, and I like hoops that like have a clasp, like a one that you like, not ones with like a back. I feel like those are so much more annoying. They're actually so cute. They're a good size too. I'm really excited about this pair because they're just like super different. They look like this. Cute. So that's that pair, and then I have this pair with like some pearl in it, so we'll try those on too. Right here are the last pair. These are actually so cute. These ones have a back, which honestly I don't mind. I just feel like the other ones are more secure when they like hook in, but these are super cute. These honestly might actually be my favorite pair that I got.
That's good. These are getting longer.
Hi guys, so I just self-tanned, and I'm just going to show you how I tan my face because I don't use what I use on my body on my face. This is the Bondi Sands Aerated Self-Tanning Foam in Ultra Dark, and this one you have to leave on for 6 hours. I really like this one. Bondi Sands is my favorite brand for self-tans. I literally already have a backup one. Oh my god, it looks so dark, but like it really does look good when I'm done. This one is Bali Body. I have a glove from Bali Body, and then this is the glove I just used. This one is from Bondi Sands, but they're the same. I liked this one. It wasn't as dark as I like it to be. So like if you're a beginner at doing fake tan, maybe start with this one. But this is my all-time favorite one. This one is also Bondi Sands, but this is the 1 Hour Express. And I think it makes me just as dark as this one. But the 1 Hour Express, obviously you have to leave on a lot less of the time than the Arrow one, which I like because I don't like sitting in this for so long. I just wear like obviously dark, loose colors while I do it. I've used Loving Tan before. I've used Saint Tropez. Like I've literally used all of them, and Bondi Sands is my favorite. But I want to try this is what I use to tan my face, but I want to try the mousse that this brand makes just because it's like in the clean section at Sephora, and obviously like the less chemicals the better. So I just take some, that's kind of a lot, and then you just rub it into your skin and it will gradually tan your face. I honestly like tanning my face because I feel like it camouflages my acne kind of. But yeah, I think I put a lot of tan on accidentally, so I'm going to put some more lotion. But yeah, I've done this. I used to, when I first started tanning, I used to use like the mousse on my face, and I used like a foundation brush and just buff it into my skin, and that worked. Now that I'm struggling with like acne stuff, I'd rather just keep like the cleanest products I can on my skin, and I just found that that's worked for me. So yeah, that's all I do. I'll show you the end result, but yeah, I've literally used every fake tan known to man. So if you have questions about fake tan, don't hesitate and leave a comment. Oh my god, also I saw this TikTok, and if you are a girl and you use the Summer's Eve vaginal wash, this isn't great for you down in your lady areas. So I use this one that I've been loving recently. This is the Honey Pot company, and it's a foaming wash, and it's like so much better for your cooch. Anyway, I literally was gonna throw this out because I got a new wash, but I saw a TikTok saying because this like balances your pH levels, if you use this as like a body wash after you fake tan, it like balances the pH level of the tan, and you don't have like tan smell that kind of like smells kind of funky. So I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna let you know if this works, because if it does, that'd be so sick. Yeah, definitely don't throw that out. I recommend going to get a new wash for down there, but this can go to use too. Also, I've seen weird TikToks that say like use it as shampoo and it will like help like define your curls. Yeah, I don't really believe that one, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna finish up some math homework for my winter course, paint my toenails because I got my nails done, and I'll catch up with you later. Saw the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea, and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took. Guys, I never filmed an outro for this video because I just took so much footage between 2 days, and I literally have to split it in between 2 videos because it would probably be like a 40-minute vlog. This one's already super long. That's why I don't have a separate outro for this one. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I love when people comment. It's usually my friends who just comment, but leave a comment and I'll answer it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.